In this lesson we'll be doing some synthetic division. Synthetic division only works if the divisor, what we're dividing by, is a linear binomial. So, x plus 2 is an example of a linear binomial. X squared minus 5 is not a linear binomial. It is a binomial, but it's x squared, so it is quadratic and will not work. So let's set up synthetic division. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to solve this divisor here for x. So we have x minus 2 equals 0, so x equals positive 2. We're going to set it up like this. We put the 2 up in this little thing here, draw a line here, and I'm going to write all my coefficients of this right here in these spots. 1, 3, -4, and -12. Now it's important to note, say I was missing a term, like I didn't have this 3x squared here. I would need to put a 0 in its spot to hold its place. You cannot just leave it blank or forget about it. You got to put something in its place. Okay? Now, here's how we're going to do it. Bring down the 1. And then I multiply 2 times 1, and I write it in this spot here. And I get 2. Then we're going to add these two. 3 plus 2 gives me 5. Now I'm going to multiply the 2 times the 5, so I'm repeating the process now. That gives me 10. Guess what I'm going to do next? Yes, I'm going to add these two. I get 6. Now the next thing, multiply the 2 times the 6, just like I did with the 2 times the 5 and the 2 times the 1. It's a repetitive process. 2 times 6 gives me 12. Now I add these two together, the -12 and the 12, and I get 0. Now important to note, this is my remainder, this is my constant, this is my x, and this is my x squared. And I mean the coefficients of those. So what I'm going to have here is 1x squared, so x squared, plus 5x, because that 5 is my coefficient of the x, and my constant is 6. My remainder is 0. There will be another example with a remainder in another video.